how to keep your body and mind healthy. You can practice half an hour to 1 hour meditation sessions every day, morning and evening in empty stomach. You can start with some physical exercise like jumping, forward bending, backward bending, left bending, right bending, sit-ups, push-ups, like that. You can also do rotation, body rotations like this. And rotating your joints. All your joints you have to rotate. And hip rotation. You have to rotate your hips and legs. And you can make wave motions. So these rotations, body rotations also simple exercise which can create flow of blood and energy inside your body. So you have to do some physical exercise every day for 10 minutes. 10 minutes enough. And then you can do breathing exercise. The breathing exercise can be inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling through your left nostril, exhaling through your right nostril. And inhaling through right nostril, exhaling through left nostril. So you have to do alternatively. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You have to do alternatively through your left and right nostrils. This is called alternate breathing. I will just demonstrate it. So this alternate breathing will balance your left and right brain, left and right part of your body. The energies that are flowing in your body, your femininity and masculinity, your emotions and logic, the duality that exists in your body and in your mind are balanced when you do this alternate breathing, left, right, nostril breathing. So you have to do 10 minutes physical exercise, 5 minutes the breathing exercise, and then you can start doing your meditation. The simplest meditation technique that has been taught by Buddha and many other enlightened beings is just to watch your breathing. When you breathe, just watch. When you take the breath inside, when you inhale, just think or whisper or utter in. Just when you inhale, say in. When you exhale, say, utter, whisper or think out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. You can go on telling this in and out when you inhale and exhale for 20 minutes. 20 minutes you have to do this, inhale and exhale. And then just lie down with your hands and legs stretched, facing the upper and lying down on your back. Just close your eyes and watch the energy flowing in your body. Watch the blood flowing in your body for 5 minutes. You can take rest after you do physical exercise also. So totally this series will take some 1 hour of your time. You can cut down breathing, you can cut down meditation time and make it shorter also, half an hour also. So half an hour to 1 hour per day, if you spend every day in empty stomach, then your body and mind will become very healthy.